Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I'm so glad that you're here. I have so many fun videos coming your way. I know we've done a lot of themed beauty videos, which is what this is. This time it is coming from MAC, which we love some MAC. You know, Peach is still one of my favorite blushes. Love the lip glosses. And like we've been doing on this channel, we've done a lot of the themed eyeshadow kits, collections, I guess is the word that I'm looking for, of Game of Thrones. We did Avengers, and now we're doing one of my favorites, Aladdin. And yes, I'm standing on my feet because it is kind of hard to get this angle on where I'm sitting. I feel like I need a car seat. As I try to adjust to normal settings because my usual chair is not here right now, I will be doing the best that I can, the best of my abilities, to show you exactly what the MAC collection is. I have a few things I'm going to show you guys, which I'm so excited about, and I will even demonstrate a little Aladdin look that you can take to when you go see the movie. I know my fiance and I are going this weekend. I'm so excited. I love Aladdin. If you know anything about me, about this channel, you know I love Disney, especially Disney World. We're going next month and I cannot wait. I'm so excited. But in the meantime, we'll just have to settle with Aladdin and trying to get my little headband on draped, but all that. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. My only regret is that you can't see my themed outfit, which I already showed you, my Aladdin t-shirt, but I also have this really cute headband that I think is very Jasmine-like. But we're not here to talk about that. Oh, and this t-shirt's under $15 at Target. So if you need something Aladdin thing that you can still wear to go work out or just wear as a t-shirt, then they have that as well. If you wanna do some little Disney bounding. But we're not gonna talk about Disney bounding, we're gonna talk back makeup collection, Aladdin. So let's open it up and check it out. I have got the things out of the packaging. It was kind of difficult for me to do that on camera. I have a very big problem unboxing things on camera. That's why I don't do a lot of those, even though I try. But these are the three things, as we can see with the packaging. We have the, okay, they're not labeled, but, oh, this is going to be the eyeshadow kit. There's 4 eyeshadows in here, I believe. The bronzer, which I can't wait to check that out since I hope to be getting tan very soon. And a lipstick. And this is what I'm most excited about because I love a good lipstick and I love the color of this one from what I've seen, and I can't wait to try it on. So let's get to it. First things first is the one that everyone cares about, is the eyeshadow palette, which I have so many eyeshadows lately, and I've been trying to do a few new looks, but then sometimes I just settle on the look that I always do, which is lots of shimmer. And oh, there is a lot more than 4 eyeshadows in here, a lot more. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is very fun. I know that said that on every video, but all the packaging for these things is always really cute. That's what it looks like. And we're gonna take a little peek inside. Opens up, and that is what the colors look like. There's a lot of shimmer in here. A lot of shimmer, which I like. I'm gonna go through and look at each one of these colors. We have a very pretty beige. I love this one, the champagne sparkly, which I don't think that's the correct term, but I'm gonna say champagne sparkly. This kind of pale pastel pink. I love this trio of these lavenders and purples, very beautiful. And then you got a little bit more of this darker champagne and some grays, and finishing it off with a little bit more purple. And I can see myself using so many of these. This is all my color palette. So let's see what some of these look like on my hand, and then I'll put a little bit on my eye. I don't put too much of it. I always do these videos right before I'm going to spin class or going to work out. So probably not the best idea, but it's the only time I can fit it in during my day. So let's see what they look like on, or on my hand. So that is what the brown that I just showed you look like. Putting it, oh, actually packs a lot of punch, which I was not expecting that, because it looks so much lighter than what it is. So that means that you probably don't need to use a ton when you put it on if you're going for a lighter look. The gold, oh wow, that one's really pretty. There's a gold, you can kind of see that. Those two look great together. This pale kind of pinky, and that's what that looks like. Oh, and you can see the pink really show up there. I really like that trio together. I hope that you enjoyed that montage, which they've all been washed off my arm now. But I'm about to put a few on my eyelid. Something that I noticed is the pigmentation is really good in these, which MAC eyeshadows have a really great reputation of that, and this palette does not disappoint. So get ready for another montage as I'm about to do my eye, and what I'm probably gonna do is focus on using this section right here. So get ready for it. I thought the Game of Thrones was my favorite, the Urban Decay palette, which was excellent, as long as you were able to grab that. I know a lot of people are kind of upset about finale, but that is for a different time and a different video. I'm gonna just never talk about it again because I'm kind of tired of talking about it. But Aladdin is coming out, so that's what we're focusing on. But this eye palette, which I'm not surprised because MAC, like I said, has been one of my favorite brands ever since I've been in high school. We're not focused on that. We're focused on Aladdin coming out this week, and the palette that the collection, not just the eye palette, the entire collection that just came out. And we did just go over the eyeshadow palette, and you can kind of see all the colors that I used. I hope that you think I did a sufficient job. Again, I say this all the time, I am not a beauty blogger. I am just someone who likes makeup, and especially makeup that is inspired by movies and TV shows, and one that seems great and powerful as Aladdin. I thought I was gonna go into song there, but I decided not to butcher it or go into a whole new world and then have people automatically turn off. I feel like I try to sing It's a Whole New World, but because I really like that song, but I'm not going to because it would be very depressing and very sad, because sadly I cannot sing. That is one of the many things I cannot do, but that is at the top of the list. I cannot carry a tune to save my life. But let's try to put on some bronzer and see if I can do that correctly. Probably not, but we'll see. So I have opened up the bronzer, and what do we have here? So you can't see all my recording devices, but oh, and the mirror behind me. But you can see Genie's lamp, which is of course the most popular, probably symbolic thing of the film, besides Princess Jasmine and Aladdin riding on a magic carpet. But this is called Your Wish Is My Command. I think there are two different bronzers, and you can kind of decide which one that you want for yourself. I really like this one. It doesn't have a ton of glitter in it, which I think can sometimes be good because of blushes. I love it in eyeshadows, and even then though, sometimes it falls and gets into my eye. I've had some interesting stories with that, but this one is very matte looking. So why don't we apply some and see if we can get a little tan sun-kissed glow. My hair is looking crazy. It's getting crazier as this video progresses. So I'm sorry, I kind of look like I am in a 90s boy band at the moment. I'm not looking like Jasmine like I thought I would. But we're gonna do the bronzer now. And I'm just gonna use a bronzer brush, a fluffy one that I picked up, I believe, at Ulta. That was $5, so good deal there. The main spots that you're gonna do are gonna be your forehead, the bridge of your nose, sides of your cheeks, and down here on your chin. So let's just put a little bit, I've already put a little bit on. I just gotta blend it a little bit. Depending on how tan you are, you can either go lighter, darker, or whatever you deem necessary, but I do like the bronzer. I think it gives a very sun-kissed look to my face, which is not tan at all because I have not gotten any sun. I feel like I look like a vampire at the moment, but hopefully we're gonna get a little bit of sun soon. And a blush that I'm gonna use to put over this lid, which is not MAC, but one that I really like that actually is just drugstore makeup. Oh, it's just Wet n Wild actually, which Wet n Wild has some really good products. Is this little shimmery, which is gonna be the shimmer blush. That's kind of a peachy coral that goes, I think, with this whole look. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on there with this blusher. And there we go. So it's a good look, I think, especially if you go see Aladdin. Got some sparkles in there, but we're gonna wait for the best to put the lip color on, which MAC is known for their lipsticks. And I cannot wait to show it to you right now. lipsticks are always my favorite. And all the packaging is adorable for this stuff. Look how colorful and vibrant all of this is. All of it just screams Aladdin, which is necessary, obviously. But this is called Whole New World, which, not to be like Little Mermaid, part of your world. This is a whole new world, but look at this color. I love this pink. And this, I believe all this makeup, especially the lipsticks, I know were the ones that were actually worn in the film. So that's something fun. I believe I read that somewhere. So that's something that is cool to think about too, especially because I know that there's gonna be so many beautiful costumes and looks in the movie. And then after you see it, you can go home and try to recreate some of your own. But this is what you can do before the movie, is get your Aladdin makeup on to go see it. So let's test out this lipstick. I cannot begin to tell you how much I love this lipstick. It is so creamy. I know that's a really weird phrase to use for makeup, but it just glides on so smoothly. I love the color pop that you get with it. Again, I did the Game of Thrones collection, which if you haven't seen that video, please watch, subscribe, like, all this stuff. I really appreciate it. I appreciate every sweet comment I get, every thumbs up, every you know, follow, whatever. But thank you so much for doing that. And thank you again, even if you don't do this, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I know there are a bunch of other videos that you could watch, but you came here to watch this one, and I hope I've done an okay job. But I love the color pop that you get from this. It's so bright, it's so vibrant, it is so perfect for summer. And I think this whole collection really does encompass what you think of when you think of Aladdin, which is beautiful, shimmery, sparkling, magic carpets, princesses, princes, genies, everything colorful, vibrant, all that this collection definitely encompasses. I know there's a lot more products out there. This is just what I have in front of me and what I thought that I would get the most benefit out of and what I would use the most. So either get the whole collection, just get a few things. Like I did this, what I always tell everyone with any of these collections, but you know what? If you really want a whole collection, then you go for it. But you do you, that's what I always say. But thank you so much for coming to watch this video. I have created a little Aladdin look that you can go see the film with. I hope you go see it opening weekend, especially because, you know, it's Disney. I know a lot of us probably grew up, I'm trying to fix my bandana, my headband. I know a lot of us definitely grew up with Aladdin, and now we can't wait to see it on the big screen with live actors, and the cast looks amazing. I mean, hello, Will Smith. I'm so excited to see it. I'm so excited that you came and watched this video. I hope that you liked it. Like, again, I'm not a beauty blogger, so I just like to try makeup products on and see if there are looks that you can try to recreate or that you can do just for a fun night out every day, whatever, you name it, I try to do it. So thank you so much for coming to watch the video. Definitely go see Aladdin, it's coming out soon. Go to MAC to pick up the collection if you see anything that you like. And if you have any comments, questions, just let me know. Thank you so much and have a great day and enjoy being part of your world. No, a whole new world. That was Little Mermaid, but a whole new world. I hope you enjoyed all those Disney references, even if they weren't the correct ones for Aladdin, which I only got like one wrong, so, you know. But thank you so much for watching the video, and like, subscribe, comment, and thank you so much again for watching. Bye.